Oh boy, I love getting presents, and even though it's not my birthday, PCBWay just turned 5 years, and they sent me this package which includes all the things that you can see on the screen. So I got a nice t-shirt, I got all sorts of PCBs from, I guess, from various projects. I also got a pen, some stickers, also got this heavy duty, I can only imagine this is some sort of scraper. I don't know how this relates to PCB manufacturing, but I can certainly use it in my workshop. So that's yeah, a nice piece of tool. If you head over to PCBWay's website, you can see that they have running this 5-year anniversary promotion this month. And as part of this promotion, you can get various coupons, and you also can get various free goodies. And some of the goodies is that they send me. So for example, you can get this nice PCB ruler, which is, well, it's just a ruler in centimeters and inches, but it also has some of the more common component sizes, which actually is going to be quite useful for me because I haven't done SMD up until now, and it has all the different SMD sizes, which I don't know nothing about. And quite honestly, I'm a little bit afraid of SMD, so hopefully I don't need to use that. You get also some hole sizes. You see these variants all over the internet, but it's nice to have one finally. And also I got this 5-year PCB anniversary badge, and this one is assembled, and it also has a hole for a pin. Oops, okay, so the pin just fell off. So anyway, you can stick it on your clothes. And it's basically just a battery and some resistors and these flashing LEDs. Very simple, but it's fun. And it shows, you know, the versatility they can manufacture in terms of PCBs, you know, special sizes, special shapes, you know, that you can do by exposing the copper and, you know, playing around with the silk screen. It looks quite funky, I like it. They also send me a few more of the unfinished ones. So these are just the PCBs, and actually I'm quite tempted to solder this. This looks fun. Some of the other stuff, I guess this is just random projects from a few of their customers. This is a solar light bulb version 2, and I was thinking about doing something like this. I mean, of course you can buy these cheap solar lights from the garden centers, but I wanted to know how this whole thing works. I mean, what are different components, because they usually just have like a 4-leggy chip, which is probably this one, but I'm not sure what this other one. So, but at least this one has a website, so I can just look up and then probably find a project, because some of the others, for example, there is this monkey PCB, which doesn't have any text on it, so it will be a little bit more difficult to find how this all needs to assemble. But I'm guessing these are resistors and these are different LEDs, and this is a header which, I don't know, maybe it goes onto a Pi. I'm not really sure. The other one is this orange board. I think it was made by a Russian chap, because you can see some of the Russian text here. Hopefully this gets into focus. But yeah, this looks fairly complicated. Some sort of keypad. I think this is probably like an LCD display. There is an Atmega chip in the middle. A lot of SMD stuff, a little bit over my head. But this is some sort of control board of some device, I'm guessing. And probably the last one is this snowflake. Yeah. From a guy in Czech Republic. I think this looks fun as well. I need to build this. I mean, this just only needs a couple of resistors and some SMD LEDs, and I have none of them. So, as I said, I'm not really into SMDs. Oh, and it also needs a small Atmega chip. Maybe I can do this. This doesn't look so complicated, and hopefully I can find the code for this as well. And it's probably, well, I have another 6 months for Christmas, but I guess it's more like a Christmas ornament. So you can, there is a hole in here, so you can hang it up on the Christmas tree, and it's going to be some sort of blinky LED thing. Looks nice. I got 2 of these PCBs, and also a pen and a sticker. So if you have any projects in mind, then head over to PCBWay. You can get your projects manufactured a little bit cheaper this month as part of the anniversary promotion, and also you can get some goodies and you know, some other coupons. So definitely check it out. If you don't have your own PCBs, I've included the card in the very few projects that I have done, and for each of these projects I have included the link to the PCBWay project page where you can order the PCB that I have done. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video.